In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in Google Docs online and download for offline access. Start by opening Google Docs in your web browser and creating a new document. You can do this by navigating to the Google Docs homepage and selecting a blank document. Give your file a clear name at the top so it's easy to find later in Google Drive. As you write and edit, make sure you're connected to the internet. Google Docs saves your changes automatically every few seconds, which means you never have to worry about hitting save. You'll usually see a small status indicator near the top that says all changes saved in Drive once everything is up to date. While you're working, use the formatting toolbar to apply headings, bold or italics, and lists so the document stays organized. If you need to revisit previous versions, the version history lets you see edits over time and restore earlier drafts. Comments and suggestions are also handy if you're collaborating, and all of that is saved in real time. When you're done and want a copy, you can open without the internet. Go to the File menu and choose Download. You'll see several formats. Microsoft Word .docx is a great choice if you plan to open and edit the file in Word or share it with someone who uses Word. PDF.pdf is ideal if you want the layout to stay locked and look the same on any device, perfect for printing or sending a final version. Pick the format that fits your needs, and your browser will download the file to your computer. After it's downloaded, you can open that file offline anytime. Check your Downloads folder if you're not sure where it went. A docx file will open in a compatible word processor, and a .pdf will open in any PDF reader. Keep in mind that some advanced Google Docs features may look slightly different in other programs. If you want to keep working in Google Docs itself without internet, enable offline mode in Google Drive settings. Open Google Drive in your browser, click the gear icon in the top right, open Settings, and turn on the option for offline access. Your browser may ask you to confirm or install the required support to make this work. Once it's enabled, Google will store recent files on your device so you can open and edit them even when you're offline. Keep the same browser and device handy, and the next time you reconnect, your changes will automatically sync to the cloud. That's it. Write online, download what you need, and stay productive anywhere.